So I made it across the border, but I could not show you that bit. Yeah, you know, because at this time is the coronavirus lockdown. So yeah, I could not show you that bit. But yes, I'm in Senegal on my way to the Gambian border. Let's see how this goes. Senegal has good roads. Yeah. Good roads. Alright. So, what am I saying? So now I just crossed the border at Sao Domingos and I am heading towards a town called Ziguinchor. So this border is called you know? Yeah, I'm not gonna lie to you. Yeah, because if I open my passport while I'm driving, then a lot of things are going to fly about. So it's not cool. So yeah, I'm heading towards Ziguinchor. Let's see what Africa has. Oh, Dream Kandu. Dream Kandu. DRAMEKAUNDA. That's where I am. Look at these checkpoints. If you see these checkpoints, they're not checkpoints. Nah, not stopping for them. Checkpoints. I think on this road there are a few of them. They're not police. I'm not stopping. Let's go. Senegal we are. And the one thing Africa taught me is, you know how in Europe and America and the Americans they say, oh, don't be on your phone. Yeah, Africa, no one has to tell you that, because in half a second something changes, so you do not take that chance. Half a second, boom, something changes. You do not know what it is. So people here do not take their chance unless they're in the city, you know. But outside of the city, yeah, you do not take that chance, because half a second something changes. I think there's one more of these checkpoints up here, these fake checkpoints, but I'm just blowing through them. Yep, yeah, here's one of them. To this bastard. Yeah, down. Come true. Yeah. Not legit. Ah, shit, there's another one. Watch me in there. I'm not stopping. You ain't getting shit from me. Yeah. Yeah, that's not unofficial. So if you're driving in Africa, you see those kind of checkpoints, do not stop. Keep it moving. I think that's... Look what Sadio Mane has done. Sadio Mane has made everybody in Senegal football craze. Look, the elderly, the young, everyone is football. I can tell you, these people are fit. Because boy, running in 35 degrees weather, no hat. Look, look, look. Even the girls. Look, Papa, Sadio Mane. Look what you have done. Look, everyone is training football happy. Sadio Mane is the man. Look what he has done. This looks official. So if this one looks official, I guess I'll stop for this one. Core Bridge, Senegal. Digging Core, Senegal. We've got a cobblestone bridge, cobblestone road here in Senegal. I love it. Yes, so I finally made it to Gambia. That was a good trek. Wasn't a bad trek. Rather adventurous at the borders. I couldn't record at the borders because you said certain things and certain things, so. But it was rather interesting. You know, I did enjoy the experience. So I'm here now at Siko's house. Hopefully I can get some free food. You know, at Siko's house. So yeah, so let's see where the journey takes us now. This is day 1 again, or should I say day 6 of Gambia. So I'll keep you posted.
Hello.
Mana film?
Oh, Namina. YouTube.
Patro foi babu na YouTube.
Mina Namina.
Pamai kanami.
Namina.
Ini ni kan?
No.
I think you give up.